The next letter is the letter ba. Ba. Again, the letter ba here is represented in its printed format. Independent position, initial, medial, and final position. And now I will show you how to handwrite the letter ba. Let's start with the letter ba in its independent format. So you start right here and you do a tooth down, you go to the right and you do a tooth up, and the letter ba has a dot beneath it. This is ba in its independent format. Ba in the initial position, you do a tooth and you go down and you do a tail to the right, and of course one dot under. Ba. Ba in the medial position, you start on the line with a small tail, you go up with a tooth and a tail, and the dot below. Ba. And ba in the final position, we do a tail, we go up, to the right, up, and dot. So basically ba in the final position and the independent position are pretty much the same, except for the ba in the final position, it has a tail preceding it. Let's start writing words that combines both the letters a and ba. For example, the word ab. Ab, which means father. It consists of two sounds, a and ba. So we start right here. We do a in the initial position. We go down. And then we need to do the other sound, ba. And you have to keep in mind that the letter a does not connect to the letter after it. So we need the independent ba. So we do a tooth to the right and a tooth and the dot below. Ab. Ab. How about the word baba? Baba, which obviously means dad. Baba. So the first sound is ba in the initial position. We do a tooth, we go to the right, and now we need to connect it to the aleph. Ba. So all we have to do is go up and the dot under the ba. So this is ba, and we need another sound, ba. Ba, ba. So we do the same thing. We do a tooth, go to the right, and then we go up for the aleph, and one dot below. Ba, ba. Pay attention that the aleph does not connect to the letter after it. That's why we keep the space here. Ba, ba. How about the word bab? Bab, which means door. The first sound is ba. So we do ba in the initial position. A tooth to the right and a dot. Bab. So after the ba there's aleph. So we go up. Bab. And we have the last sound, which is ba in the final position. But the letter aleph does not connect to the letter after it. So we don't need this tail before the ba. So we do the ba in its independent format. Go here to the right and a tooth and a dot below. Bab. Bab, which means door.